Welcome to our channel. We're going to show you how to make keto peanut butter chocolate rice bars. Ingredients: and a half cup peanut butter, and half cup chopped chocolate, 6 rice waffles, 1 TSPL almond flour, 1 TSP coconut oil, pinch of salt. Wait! Before starting the video, I introduce you with Alpha-Lian weight loss supplement, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. At first, mix in the peanut butter with melted chocolate and coconut oil. I already melt some dark chocolate with coconut oil in the microwave in 20s intervals. Break apart the rice cakes, add them to this peanut butter chocolate mixture. Add some almond flour. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Spread the mixture evenly and refrigerate for 1-2 hours, or until firm. Slice and enjoy. Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat. Get Alpha-Lian weight loss supplement, click the link in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.